Wagwan Jamaica, welcome back world. This is Shan ZenZen Jamaican Vibes, educating, inspiring, uplifting, showcasing our talent and encouraging Jamaica to stay on the positive side. Today we're in beautiful Trelawny and I just hope you enjoyed this video. And I want to remind our Jamaicans to live good and love God. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. Let's make Jamaica the place to live, work, do business, and raise our family. Alright? This is beautiful Trelawny, Jamaica. Do enjoy the sights and scene in Trelawny on a Sunday. Hello and welcome back to Shan ZenZen Jamaican Vibes. Today guys, I'm taking you to the beautiful parish of Trelawny. And it's Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. And I hope you'll enjoy the sights and scene in Trelawny on a Sunday. I don't know if we're going to catch as much activity as would be on a usual Sunday because of the curfews. But I hope you'll enjoy today's video. So my first stop will be at my friend Marie. Alright guys, so I'm going to check my friend Marie. She's one of my regular customer, because as most of you guys already know, I sell new and used clothes. And yes, so this is my Trelawny friend Marie. Marie, what's going on?
I'm doing okay.
You're on the farm?
Yes, today is my Labor Day, so I'm going to do something for my Labor Day project.
Okay. So who give you these plants?
You know, say I buy them.
Okay.
Buy them from St. Catherine.
What you planting? What's that?
Orange tree.
Oh, that's an orange tree. What kind of orange? Antonique?
No, Valencia.
Oh yeah, I love Valencia. And what other plants
I have
this?
tomato and I think that is Sweet Valerie.
Sweet Valerie? This is a cherry?
No, plum.
Oh, this is a plum tree.
Yeah.
Okay, Marie, so you're actually celebrating your Labor Day today instead of tomorrow. Tomorrow you're just gonna rest. So Marie, you have some nice tomato here, man.
Yeah.
Wow. So you just wrap them around the stick and let them...
Yes.
Right. They're nice and big.
Yeah.
Okay. So, say something to Marie.
Got my friend Shan, she have a nice, clean and cheap and clean clothes them.
Yes.
After when me come from bush, me just dress up and nice up myself.
Yeah man.
Friends them. We always support Shan. You don't know Trelawny the Yam capital.
Yes.
Big up on yourself, my farmer friend them, and big up yourself to Shan with the cheap and clean clothes.
Yes. Alright. So we're gonna go down back on the flat. And see what go on on the Sunday, alright?
Yeah man, take
So
care.
take
Big
care.
up yourself.
Alright.
Alright then, cool.
Now look on your tomato, look on more. Yeah, my people, oh my god. Yam galore. This is where you're getting your sweet yellow yam from. So if you're in Canada, the US, the UK, Anywhere you are in the world, once you're eating Jamaican yam, this is most likely where you're gonna get it from because Trelawny is the parish that plants the most yam in Jamaica. Look how beautiful the yam fields are. Whoa. It's such a joy to see this beautiful yam on this Sunday morning. My gosh. On both sides of the road, anywhere you look, it's yam. Look at that. What a lovely sight, my people. Whoa. So this is the Cockpit country and these are pine trees. So this is a part of the forestry reserve. And by law, no one is allowed to cut down any of these pine trees. When I saw this beautiful cabbage farm, I just remember Farmer Girl Jessie. So big up yourself, Farmer Girl Jessie, wherever you are right now. Right? So I had to capture these images for you guys to enjoy. So this is where I always get my roast yam and saltfish, but unfortunately it's not open today because of the curfew hours. It kind of put a little damper on things, but hey, life goes on. You buy something for me today? Huh? Where are the clear? Let me show your face by the camera. Where are the clear? Say a gel piece?
Almost.
Okay.
For me ban. 3 DLP.
Alright guys, so let me show you what's going on here in Trelawny on a Sunday. So this is what Sundays looks like in Trelawny. Beautiful yellow yam, the sweet Trelawny yam. Respect. Thank you, man. So me I talk about my people, the good old yellow yam. That's what I'm talking about. And Trelawny people are very kind. They're kind like St. Elizabeth and Manchester people. So this is what I just got, guys. Telling you about Trelawny people. Kind of sweet to them. But Trelawny and St. Elizabeth. You know, it's normal to see persons and their donkeys going about their business, going to their yam farm. Welcome to Trelawny, Jamaica, guys. I know this brings back a lot of memories for a lot of people living overseas that haven't been back to Jamaica for a while. Yes. Pick up yourself, youth.
Keep on by Jared.
So that's it from here in beautiful Trelawny, Jamaica, the yam capital of our island. So guys, from here in Trelawny, Jamaica, me want to say walk good and make good duppy walk with you. Big up! Shout out to all the viewers in all the Caribbean islands. One love every time.